Okay, so we're going to go through this absolutely insane new audio tool that Premiere Pro now has. If you've had a scenario like this where we've got an arrangement and a specific track in mind that we love, that we want to fit to the arrangement, we put it in and it's the wrong length, we know that we then have to go into the audio and cut it precisely so that we can stitch it back together or extend it, but it has to be perfect so the listener doesn't know that we've just slammed it together, and it can take time. Now all you have to do is this. So where the ripple edit tool is, click on that, hold it down, you go down to remix tool, go to the end of your audio track, and you drag it to the end of your arrangement, just a little bit over I find. And then what's happened is Premiere Pro's AI has analysed the audio, cut it, stitched it together in the right place so that the beats don't clash, and now it smoothly plays through. So this is the end of it. That's kind of how we want the end of it. And then if we go to where it's stitched together, it just plays through smoothly. Absolutely insane. And conversely, if you have the opposite situation where you drag some music in and it's too long, again, you would have had to go into it, be precise, take a little bit of time, but not anymore because it's 2020, right? The robots. So it's done its analysis, it's stitched it together seamlessly, and in terms of efficiency, that is a crazy update. Hope that helped you out. See you soon.